Hello everyone, good afternoon. How are you today? Fine? Yes, I am also fine. My name is Jyoti Pandey. Today I will teach you EVS subject. In EVS subject, I will teach you different types of faces. In previous lecture, we have learned the different type of faces. So today we will revise different type of faces and good habit. Okay? Today we will revise good habit and different type of faces. Okay? Tell me which first face I have teach you. You know? Which was the first face? It was happy. Which face was happy? Which face? It was happy. When we are happy, we have big smile on our face. When we are happy, we have big smile on our face. When you are happy, na, you have a big smile. Like this. Look here. This is happy. This face is happy. Yes. Yes. Whenever you got your favorite things, toys, you are very happy and you have big smile on your face. Okay. And next face was, tell me, which was next face? You know? You remember this face? Tell me, which face is this? Yes? Yes, Vihan? Tell me? Yes. Sad. This face is sad. Which face is this? Sad. Okay. Which face is this? Sad. When we does not have our favorite things or we don't able to watch the cartoon, so our face become sad. Look here. Like this. You become sad like this. Sad. How you make your face sad? Sad. You don't have a big smile on your face. You don't have big smile on your face. Okay. Okay. Tell me, which face is this? Tell me. Yes, tell me, which face is this? Tell me which face is this? Angry. Which face is this? Angry. Repeat after me. Angry. Repeat after me. Angry. This is angry face. Which face is this? Angry. This face is angry. Which face is this? Angry. Yes, repeat after me. Which face is this? Angry. Okay. First, which face is this? Happy. Which face is this? Happy. A big smile on the face. Which face is this? Sad. Which face is this? Sad. You don't have any smile. Okay. And which face is this? Angry. Angry face. When you don't do your homework, so mother scold you, na? That time you become angry. Which face is this? Angry. Repeat after me. Happy. Sad. Angry. Okay. Then next face is. Yes, tell me. Which face is this? Tell me. Which face is this? Crying. Look here. Tears is coming out from the eyes. Which face is this? Crying. Which face is this? Crying. When tears is coming from your eyes, this face is crying. You cry? You cry? Tears come from your eyes? Yes, cry. Which face is this? Cry. Which face is this? Cry. A big tears come from your eyes. Look here. Which face is this? Crying. First face is happy. Second, sad. Third, angry. Fourth, crying. Fourth face is crying. Okay. And which face is this? Yes. Which face is this? Yes, Nikita. Tell me which face is this? Scared. Scared. This is scared face. Which face is this? Scared. When you see a horror movie or boo, you say, oh, scared. You were scared, na? You were scared, na? Yes. This face is scared. Which face is this? Scared. Okay. Now tell me the name of the face. This face is happy. Which face is this? Happy. Repeat after me. Happy. Which face is this? Happy. Which face is this? Sad. Which face is this? Sad. This? Angry. Which face is this? Angry. Which face is this? Angry. So you see? Tears is coming out from eyes. This? Cry. This face is cry. And this face is scared. Which face is this? Scared. Okay. We have learned 5 types of different facial expressions. First is happy, sad, angry, cry, scared. Okay. Now I will draw different type of faces and you tell me which face is this. Okay. You have to give reply. You have to give reply. Okay. Tell me which face is this. Tell me which face is this. Do you know which face is this? Yes? Yes? Angry. Which face is this? Angry. Very good. And now tell me which face is this? Yes, tell me. Which face is this? Cry. Which face is this? Cry. Very good. You are a good children. Okay, tell me which face is this? Tell me which face is this? Happy? Yes, very good. Happy. Which face is this? Happy. Okay. Now tell me which face is this? Tell me. Which face is this? Which face is this? Sad? Yes. This is sad. Good. Now tell me which face is this? Which face is this? This is scared. Which face is this? Scared. Very good. This face is scared. Very good. You are so good children. Okay. And which topic we will revise today after different faces? We will revise good habit. What we will revise? Good habit. You are a good children. Yes or no? No? Yes? Okay. So you do good habits? You have good habits? Yes? No? Yes? Yes. Very good. You are so good children. Okay. First good habit is? Tell me, first good habit is get up early in the morning. Get up early in the morning. You have to get up early in the morning. Okay? You have to get up early in the morning. Okay. Then next good habit is brush your teeth twice a day. Brush your teeth twice a day. First in the morning and second at the night before going to bed. Okay? You have to brush your teeth twice a day. First in the morning and second before going to bed. Okay? Next good habit is take a bath daily. Take a bath daily. You have to take a bath daily. Take a bath daily. Take a bath daily. Pray to God in the morning and in the evening. You have to pray in front of God every day. Okay? Pray to God every day. Okay? These are the good habits. Drink lots of clean water every day. Drink lots of clean water every day. Next good habit is drink lots of clean water every day. Lots of clean water, not dirty water, clean water. Okay, lots of clean water every day. Comb your hair properly. Comb your hair properly. Which habit is next? Good habit. Comb your hair properly so that you look beautiful and handsome. Okay, the next good habit is wash your hands before and after meal. Wash your hands before and after each meal. You have to wash your hand till 20 seconds before and after meal properly with soap or hand wash. Okay, with soap or hand wash you have to wash your hand till 20 seconds properly. Okay. Okay, the next good habit is, do you remember which next good habit is? Cut nails. Cut your nails regularly. Cut your nails regularly. You don't cut yourself. Tell your parents to cut the nails regularly so dust will not go inside the nails. So dust will not go inside the nails. Cut your nails regularly. Tell your parents to cut your nails. Okay, when it become big now, so you tell your parents to cut the nails. Okay. What you will say? Cut the nails. Okay. Then switch off the light when not in use. When lights and fans are not in use, you have to switch off. Okay. Switch off lights when not in use. If you are in hall, you are sitting in hall and you don't want to sit there, you want to go and play out. So you have to switch off the lights and fans. Okay. If you are not watching the TV or cartoon, so you have to switch off the TV. Okay. Then always listen to your elders. You have to always listen to your elders. Okay, and help them. You have listen to your elders. Listen to your elders. Listen to your elders and respect them. Listen to the elders and respect them. You have grandma, grandpa, mama, papa, uncle, auntie. Respect them. Okay? What? Respect them. Don't say bad words. Okay? Respect them. Respect your elders. Always listen to them. Always listen to them. Okay. Next good habit is help others. What? Help others. Whenever someone requires your help, you have to help them. You have to help them. Help others. If anybody tell you, you please bring this for me, so you say no or yes, what you will say? Yes. Yes. Help others. Help others. When you cough, sneeze, cover your nose and mouth with handkerchief. If you have cough or sneeze, you have to cover your nose and mouth with handkerchief. When you have sneeze, so cover your nose with and mouth with handkerchief and say sorry. What you will say? Sorry. What you will say? Sorry. When you cough, sneeze, cover your mouth and nose with handkerchief and say sorry. Go to bed. Go to bed on time at night. Go to bed on time at night. Look here. He's a good boy now. He sleep on time at night? Yes. Go to bed on time. Okay, at night. Go to bed on time at night. Okay. Don't throw garbage here and there. Throw only in dustbin. Don't throw garbage here and there. Throw only in dustbin. You have dustbin at your home? Yes or no? Yes. So you have to throw garbage only in dustbin, not in the room or anywhere. Okay. We have learned, these are the good habits which we have learned previous also, and now also we have done revision. Okay. Again we will revise all the good habits, and you have to, and you please follow this good habit so that you are a good children. And everybody say, this boy or girl is very good. Okay. First good habit is get up early in the morning. Get up early in the morning. Next, brush your teeth twice a day. Brush your teeth twice a day. First in the morning and second before going to sleep. Before going to sleep, you have to brush your teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day. Next good habit is take a bath daily. Take a bath daily so that you look clean, good. Okay, so that you look all dust removed from your body, so you look very beautiful, clean. Take a bath daily. Pray in front of God in the morning and in the evening. Pray in front of God in the morning and the evening. Okay. Join your hands and close the eyes properly and pray to God. Okay. So that God will keep you healthy and wise. Drink lots of clean water every day. Drink lots of clean water every day. You have to drink clean water every day. Okay, not dirty water. Comb your hair properly. Comb your hair properly. Comb your hair properly. Wash your hands before and after each meal. You have to wash your hand before and after each meal. Okay, with soap or hand wash. Okay, next good habit is, what is next good habit? Put the garbage in the dustbin. Put garbage only in dustbin, not in all the rooms or on the road. Okay, put garbage only in dustbin. Don't eat junk food. Avoid eating junk food. Avoid eating junk food. Don't eat. Which are junk foods? You know which are the junk foods? Pizza, burger, kurkure. These are the junk foods. These are the junk foods, and you become sick also. Because of these junk foods, you become sick also. Pasta, all these are junk foods. Because of junk foods, you become sick. Your stomach will pain, and doctor will come and give you an injection. So, you are scared of injection? Yes or not? Yes. Okay. So, avoid eating junk food. Don't eat junk food. Okay. The next good habit is cut your nails regularly. Cut your nails regularly. You have to cut your nails regularly. Don't cut yourself. Tell your parents to cut the nails regularly. When it become big now, so all dust germs will go inside. When you eat something and germs will go in your stomach. Then again doctor will come and give one injection to you. Your stomach will pain. So cut your nails regularly. Tell your parents to cut your nails. Okay? Switch off the light when not in use. You have to switch off the lights and fan or TV when it is not in use. When you are in room or in a bedroom, wherever, if you are sitting there, so off the light also and fan also if necessary. If it is not necessary, don't on. Or if you go out, then switch off the lights and fan. Okay. The next good habit is always listen to your elders. You have to listen to your elders and help them. You have to respect your elders. You have to listen to your elders and respect them. Okay. These are the good habits. You are a good children, so you always respect your elders. The next good habit is, tell me, you remember which is the next good habit? Yes, when you cough, sneeze, so keep your handkerchief on your nose and mouth, and after that you say sorry. Okay, when you sneeze or cough, you keep handkerchief, cover your nose and mouth and say sorry. Go to bed on time at night. Go to bed on time at night. You don't have to play or watch TV till late night, till 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock. You have to go to bed on time. Okay, not so late, till late night. So you will get up late in the morning. Yes or not? Yes, no? So you have to go to bed on time so that you can get up early in the morning and you will feel fresh so that you can enjoy your day. Yes or not? Yes, no? Yes. So these are the good habits. We have listened we have learned in previous also, and now also we have done revision of good habits and different type of faces. So dear children, you have to remember all these things and keep practicing at your home, so that whenever I ask you, you have to give all the answers. Okay, you have remember all the faces now? You have remembered now? So next time, in next lecture, we will learn new things. Yes or not? Yes. You are a very good children, so that you remember all the things. Yes or not? Yes. You know the different type of faces. Which face is this? Scared. Which face is this? Scared. Which face is this? Cry. Which face is this? Angry. Which face is this? Sad. Which face is this? Happy. So I am ending my lecture with a big smile and with happy. So you do keep doing practice and stay safe at your home. Bye. Have a nice day. We will meet again. Bye.